Ivana here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to get 100% free traffic and how to convert that traffic into affiliate commissions. The best part, you can repeat this method as many times as you want, and you can even grow a really responsive email list through it. Okay, so let's get started. And quickly, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would really appreciate it if you do, because on a weekly basis, I will be releasing more new content that can help you grow your digital business. So let's get started.
Okay, so as I said before, this is going to be a tutorial on how to generate this traffic. It's buyer traffic really for affiliate commissions, and it basically just requires you to create one video. And if you think that's going to be really hard, I'm going to show you an easy way, right? So let's get started with this. So the first thing that I like to do always is to show you the affiliate commission proof, and this was just for one of the offers, and I'm going to share with you what video I actually had, and if you want to watch it, you can definitely go to the description and get that from there. So anyways, I managed to rank that video for all the buyer keywords, and we're going to talk more about buyer keywords and what they are, but basically those are the keywords that people are searching for before they purchase a product, right? So they're searching for a review video, they're searching for a demo, and that is when they're actually excited about purchasing something, and your job is to convert them into a buyer, right? I'm going to share with you how simple that is in a second, but I wanted to share proof first. First things that we need to do is finding the product to promote, right? So where the heck do you go? And there is this website, it's called muncheye.com, and when you go over to that website, you will notice that there are so many people who are launching products. Now, first of all, as a new affiliate, it's really hard to get the links for it. But if you do a couple of things that I'm going to share with you right now, you can easily get approved for it. Now, the first thing is that what type of product you want to promote. Now, the ones that I like to look at are those big launches or all launches, right? So I like to look at these that are big launches and what the heck they are, right? So I'm looking at this. There is Mario Brown, who is launching Stream Out, then Kartrick Ramani. So I'm going to check out these launches to see what they do. The reason they're doing this is we want to go after the launches that big team is behind it, that they're going to do retargeting campaigns as well on it. So you want to make sure that there is more advertising happening to make sure that you get the most out of the promotion. Because once you rank high your video, if they leave without purchasing and if there's no retargeting in place, the visitor doesn't come back. So that is what we are searching for. So make sure that you are selecting the big launches and premium launches, like Jamie Oller right here. He has a launch. I would definitely look at this for the launch. Joshua Zamora. So all of these names are big names in the industry. Now, what happens is that a lot of these products are getting launched on JVZoo and Warrior Plus platforms. Now, I personally prefer pay kickstart, but I will launch on any of these platforms if I need to. What you are searching for is the JV page and to figure out what it is that these people have put together. So let's say I wanted to go with Mario Brown's, for example. I know the guy personally. And if I go here and it says to be announced, there's nothing there that's going to give me more information. So I'm going to go from main, and I'm going to click on this one right here. And this is the JV page. And now I'm excited about it because it's there, right? So the JV page is here. There is a video right here. And then there is a funnel. So it actually, what you need to pay attention to is watching the video, reading the description, and make sure it's a quality product. So the keywords that we will try to rank for are going to be webinar review, right? Webinar demo. Those are the keywords that an actual buyer would search for, in order to learn more about that product. So we will be doing video reviews. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people call this method launch jacking, and it is, But for us, it's about a long-term business as well, where you can build an email list, and I'm going to share with you how you can do that as well. Okay, so let's move on. Now, as I said earlier, one of the things that we need to do is create content, and a lot of people think this is really hard, and this is actually what's going to help you get the affiliate link approved, right? So what you're going to do is going back to the JV page. At the very bottom of this, you are going to get instructions on how to contact the vendors of this product, right? And in this case, I know both Brad and Ritaki and Mike Thomas. So I would go to Mike Skype user, or I would go to Facebook and contact Mike directly. And here's what I would say to him. Hi, Mike. I'm new. If you're a new affiliate, maybe you already have some following an email list. But if you're a new affiliate and new to the platform, what I would say is, hi, Mike. I'm new to Warrior Plus platform or JVZoo platform, but I see you have this awesome product that's coming out. So what I wanted to do with you is to do an interview where I ask you a set of 5 to 7 questions about your product, when it goes live and things like that. And I'm going to pre-sell the traffic, and traffic is going to come from YouTube search and my email list. Can you please approve me and schedule the time to do an interview? Simple, right? Okay, next step. Once he commits to do an interview with you, what I would recommend is to ask these questions. And I'm going to share with you in the description an interview that I have done. And pretty much every time I follow the same outline of the questions that I do. So introduce the product creator. Ask who the product is for and what it does. Ask them to demo the product or software members area, because sometimes it's an info product. Then ask them to tell the viewers when the product is going live, because during the launches, there is a certain date when the product goes live, and then when it closes, the price, what it will be after the launch ends, and ask them about any upgrades and the price points. Now, really important part is you need to have a call to action at the very end of the video. So make sure that you're telling people, inside of the description, I have prepared some bonuses for you, and there is a link for you to get a copy of this amazing product, right? So you do have to have that call to action. Otherwise, people are just going to watch and move towards something else, right? If you decide to do a review product, you don't have to interview people to do this. For me, this is the easiest, because pretty much in 20 minutes, my content is ready. I don't have to do anything. With the review, you actually have to learn the product first before you can do the review. So it takes a little longer for you to do it. And that's why I do interviews. It's a lot easier for me. The second thing is, make sure, and this is like really, really important, and I have to stress it again, that call to action is what is going to get you sales, right? So make sure you utilize that call to action, invite people to purchase through your link. Now, the next step is going to be that you need to optimize the video to rank for multiple keywords. And as I shared with you before, and I'm going to share with you right now the video in question for this case study, really, and that is this video right here. So my video is 17 minutes and 16 seconds, and my SEO ranking is at 93.7, which is really good. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit right here, and then as you can see, I have all these keywords right here. Now, 7-Day Digital Landlord Review. That was the product name, 7-Day Digital Landlord. So I have review, I have demo in there. I have interview, I have what is a 7-Day Digital Landlord? Can you make money with 7-Day Digital Landlord? The way I select these keywords is by thinking of what someone would type in if they were searching for more information before purchasing a product. So inside look at 7-Day Digital Landlord. I have my name in there. Then I have 7-Day Landlord, Digital Landlord Review Walkthrough. Those are the things that people actually type in to get the information. Moving forward, and this is just a little tip, you can always go to the analytics and take a look at what people actually did, what they searched for, and where your traffic is coming from. The next thing is that you need to create a thumbnail, and this helps you with getting more clicks on your video. You're not going to be the only person doing a review or interview on this product. There are going to be other people who do it as well. So your goal is to be one of the top and one that has the best standout thumbnails, so you get more people to click through. One place that I like to use is Canva. And here is just one of the thumbnails that I created with Canva, and it really stands out. It really is like powerful, and it gets me a high click-through rate, okay? Now, you will need to really think of the main keywords that you want to use. What is that one keyword that you want to really focus on? And make sure you optimize your description to reflect that main keyword. Again, like I said, I'm going to give you the link to my video so you can go over there and take a look at it and look at the description as well. So it's going to help you in terms of figuring out how and what you need to write. Now, one thing to boost your sales, and this is really, really, really important. A lot of vendors will actually prepare a bonus package for you, and that bonus package you can take and put together for your buyers. So for people who are going to purchase through your link, you actually offer a bonus package to them if they purchase through your link. And there is a way to add this into any of these platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo or Pay Kickstart, depending which platform you promote on. But it is really important because the buyers ultimately, like I said, there is a competition, right? So the bonus package actually gets you more traction and more people decide to buy. You can also create your own if you're very familiar with the niche that you are working in and the product that you're recommending. But this is just one way of you boosting up the package and getting more out of your clicks that you get. Now, a really cool thing when it comes to getting the boost in the rankings. Now, YouTube loves when a video is shared with other viewers, and they want to see that your video is shared right away. So, obviously, you can share it using the YouTube channel, and I'll just share with you how that's done. So, if you click on share right here, and if you go to any of these like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, email, Reddit, you can really share your video to any of these platforms. But what is really cool is that there are these on Facebook, you can actually get views as well. And the more views you get initially, the better it is for you to rank. So if you go over to Facebook, and I'm just gonna share with you how I do this, right? If you go over to share in a group, and there are these groups that are free advertising for all, public group, free ads forever, free advertising by Craig, free advertising group, advertising free. So if I wanted to, I just select one of the groups. So the description should be something that's very basic. This is an amazing software that shows you how to rent out these digital stores for 1K per month, right? And then you just click post to Facebook. And now you are getting a share and you are getting a link. So I would recommend for every time when you do these videos, you actually share using the YouTube share button. Don't just copy and paste the link, but use the YouTube share button. And as promised at the very beginning of this video, I'm also going to share with you how to build an email list using this method. So if we take a look at this description right here, I am able to add in my URL. So these are the pages where people go to actually pick up this product. The second thing that I can do is have a little bit call to action. So if I want people to follow me on Facebook, I can give them that option. If I want them to subscribe to any of my free guides, I give them that option as well. And then I have my group that I invite them to join. I have my free training, how to make money as an affiliate. This is a totally different method and things like that. So it's really powerful way for you to collect an email list, and make sure that even if you have just 100 subscribers, make sure that you're sending them whatever offer that you're recommending, as long as it's within a niche that you are promoting in, and just, let them know about the awesome product that you have selected to promote. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out the description. Make sure you check out the video that I just talked about so you get to see how it's all done. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.